everybody, something new for today. Gonna do a bit of vlogging. Out for a ride with Let's Ride POV. Just testing the settings more than anything else today. Oh, move it down! Yes, move it down. Loves an overtake, this bloke. Move it down, move it down. So I'm just going to try a bit of vlogging because my videos have really not done that great at all so far. So anything's worth a bit of a change really, and a bit of a try at something different. So as you all know, it's Honda CBR650R. Standard bike, but I've just got a Scorpion full system on it, and riding with Let's Ride POV. Just having a little road on the way to Southam and Banbury and sort of towards Daventry way, just for a bit of a sunny autumn ride more than anything, before the weather changes and we get stuck. Oh no, I've lost him, I've lost him. So this is Dunchurch, nice little village really, but we really just pass through to get to the quick roads. Here he is Let's Ride POV. He loves a fast ride. I have to remember to put my lid down. Right, let's have him. Learner driver. Get him. What a lovely evening. It's nice to come out on the bike. Me and Let's Ride POV. We tend to come out once a week. Have a check out of this channel, you'll see a lot more than what I have. Oh, look at the birds! Oh wow! I've been riding probably, I think it's about a year and a little bit now. It's my first big bike. Had a few goes on a few other big bikes, but now done. Bought this bike from new. We're now on, what's that, 6,616 miles. I think we did most of that last year, but little trip to the Isle of Man this year. Some miles on her. I'm hoping you guys will all like this vlogging that I'm at least attempting for once anyway. I'll put the first video up and then just see how it goes more than anything. I feel a bit stupid talking to myself, but hey, we can all waffle once in a while, right? Ride POV will be absolutely miles away now. It's the normal story. it'll go for an overtake, whereas a lot of the time I don't. Bit of more of a casual ride round today. I'm really just wanting to test out my vlogging settings and just see if it's any good more than anything. Like I said, my videos are not done very well so far. I think I've got a couple of thousand views on one video, and it's just getting a bit, I'm just sort of hoping the amount of videos and stuff that I've posted, I really enjoy doing it, but it's got to get to a stage where I'm actually monetizing it. Otherwise the GoPros, the microphones, everything I've done for YouTube is really just going to be a hobby, and I'd much prefer it to pay a little bit. That's the whole point in giving it a go. Everyone wants to earn some money out of it for doing something they enjoy. Can't beat coming on a nice ride. A downshift. Oh, come on. Right, we're gonna have them. The jacket I'm wearing tends to blow up like an absolute balloon at speed, so I can't be going that fast that often, but it's very warm and very comfortable. There's a nice pub up there. There it is, beautiful. The Boat Inn. Let's have a go at this Polestar, shall we? When it's safe to overtake. Just hope this audio really works. Let's go! Turning, so we'll slow down a tad. Ah, bike friends! Another bike friend! Don't matter if you're on a 50cc scooter or a 1500 whatever cc Harley Davidson. Oh, not away, but yeah. What a perfect evening for coming out on the bike. This weather is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, a bit of a backstory. So, I've always been into bikes all my life. My dad's always had bikes, you know, all sorts. I always used to watch super bikes. I've been to the TT, all of that sort of stuff. And essentially my car broke, and it was at a time where I thought, well, if I'm going to spend that much money repairing it, why don't I do something else? I didn't really need a car. I have a van for work, and it's just not really needed. So I sent Let's Ride POV probably the most expensive text message he's ever had. There he is actually, and asked him if he wanted to do his bike test. Which obviously he said yes. These slow coaches. So that was June, July last year, and we've been out every week pretty much. Loving it, honestly loving it. Puts a smile on your face every single day. Come on, man! Fuck's sake. Tractors, absolute pain in the arse. So me and Let's Ride BOV went for a bike test. He's got the Yamaha MT-09. Got through different helmets, jackets, everything. Here he goes. To say he loves an overtake. So his bike, Yamaha MT-09, he's got a straight through exhaust acropovic system, which sounds nuts, it's so loud.